In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating realm of earning money on crypto apps without the need for a computer. With the rise of smartphones and the incredible advancements in mobile technology, earning money through cryptocurrencies has become more accessible than ever before. Gone are the days when you needed a computer to navigate the complex world of crypto trading or mining. Now all you need is a smartphone and a thirst for knowledge. In this video, we'll guide you through a range of mobile crypto apps that empower you to earn money right from the palm of your hand. From simple tasks and micro jobs to participating in decentralized finance, we'll explore the multitude of opportunities available to you. Get ready to unlock the potential of your smartphone and join the ranks of successful mobile crypto earners. So, whether you're waiting for a bus, relaxing on a weekend, or simply want to put your smartphone to good use, earning money on mobile crypto apps is a game changer. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey together, exploring the innovative opportunities and strategies that can help you make money in the world of cryptocurrencies using just your mobile device. Get ready to level up your crypto game with mobile apps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Let's dive in. First up, we have the world of microtasks. These are small, simple tasks that you can complete right from your mobile device, earning crypto in return. Many mobile crypto apps offer platforms where you can complete tasks like filling out surveys, watching videos, or testing apps. The rewards may vary, but it's a great way to earn some extra crypto in your spare time. Imagine getting paid to share your opinion or watch entertaining videos. With microtasks, it's possible. These apps connect you with a wide range of tasks that are easy to complete and require no special skills or prior experience. The great thing about microtasks is that you can do them anywhere, anytime. Whether you're waiting in line, commuting, or just looking to make the most of your free time, these apps allow you to monetize those moments. Plus, the flexibility to choose tasks that align with your interests ensures that you have an enjoyable experience while earning crypto. Once you've completed a task, you'll be rewarded with a certain amount of crypto. The rewards may vary depending on the complexity and duration of the task, but over time, they can add up significantly. To maximize your earnings from microtasks, here are a few tips. First, be consistent. Regularly check the app for new tasks and complete them promptly. Second, pay attention to the task requirements and provide accurate and thoughtful responses. This can increase your chances of receiving higher rewards and accessing more lucrative opportunities. Lastly, keep an eye out for bonus programs or referral systems offered by some apps. These can provide additional incentives for your efforts, allowing you to earn even more crypto. Remember, while microtasks may not make you a millionaire overnight, they are a convenient and accessible way to earn extra crypto on the side. So why not put your smartphone to good use and turn your spare time into crypto earning opportunities? That wraps up our exploration of microtasks in the world of mobile crypto apps. Stay tuned as we move on to the next exciting method of earning money using your mobile device. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who are interested in the world of crypto. Next up, let's explore the world of decentralized finance, commonly known as DeFi. DeFi opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for earning money on mobile crypto apps. It involves activities like yield farming, liquidity provision, and lending or borrowing. DeFi represents a revolutionary shift in the traditional financial system by removing intermediaries and allowing users to directly engage in financial activities on blockchain networks. With mobile crypto apps, you can tap into the power of DeFi right from the convenience of your smartphone. One of the popular activities within DeFi is yield farming. Yield farming involves leveraging your crypto assets to earn additional rewards by providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges or lending platforms. By lending your assets or participating in liquidity pools, you can earn interest, fees, or governance tokens. Another aspect of DeFi is liquidity provision. By providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, you enable users to trade cryptocurrencies smoothly. In return for your contribution, you receive a portion of the trading fees generated by the exchange. Liquidity provision can be a profitable way to earn passive income by utilizing your crypto assets effectively. However, it's important to carefully assess the risks involved, such as impermanent loss, smart contract vulnerabilities, and market volatility. Always do your research and diversify your liquidity provision strategies accordingly. Additionally, DeFi apps also allow you to participate in lending and borrowing activities. You can lend out your crypto assets to borrowers and earn interest in return. On the other hand, if you require funds, you can borrow against your crypto holdings, providing collateral. Lending and borrowing within DeFi offer opportunities for both sides of the equation. By carefully selecting lending platforms and assessing the terms and risks, you can earn interest on your idle assets or access liquidity when needed. When engaging in DeFi activities, it's crucial to consider factors like platform reputation, security measures, and smart contract audits. Remember to exercise caution, start with small amounts, and gradually increase your involvement as you gain more experience and confidence in the platforms you choose. So if you're looking to explore the exciting world of DeFi and tap into its potential for earning money, mobile crypto apps provide a convenient way to participate. Always stay informed about the latest developments and trends in the DeFi space to make informed decisions and maximize your earnings. And that concludes our exploration of earning money on mobile crypto apps through microtasks and DeFi apps. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring as you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies with your mobile device. Microtasks offer a convenient way to earn extra crypto in your spare time. Whether you're answering surveys, watching videos, or testing apps, these simple tasks can add up and provide a rewarding experience right from the palm of your hand. On the other hand, DeFi apps open up a whole new realm of possibilities for earning money. From yield farming to liquidity provision and lending or borrowing, you have the opportunity to leverage your crypto assets and participate in the exciting world of decentralized finance. Remember, as you explore these mobile crypto apps, it's important to prioritize security and conduct thorough research. Choose reputable apps with user-friendly interfaces, and always stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the crypto space. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, mobile crypto apps offer a world of possibilities. They empower you to earn money, expand your knowledge, and engage with the evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies using just your smartphone. We hope this video has inspired you to take action and unlock the potential of your mobile device. Remember, earning money on mobile crypto apps requires diligence, patience, and a willingness to learn. But with the right strategies and a touch of determination, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of mobile crypto apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are interested in the world of cryptocurrencies. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on leveraging mobile technology in the crypto space.